Hey YouTube, it's the Villa Man, and today I have a special unboxing for you all. The product red iPhone 8. Stick around. So here we have the second product red iPhone that Apple has ever released. In this case, it's the iPhone 8. Let's get to unboxing. This iPhone was released on Friday the 13th, I know, but it's a lucky day for Apple fans. The box is typical Apple, designed by Apple in California, and here we have the iPhone, normal earbuds, they are in special edition like the iPhone itself, lightning cable, and your charger, typical. Well, this is what everyone's here for. iPhone 8. Now let's take off this plastic. And this color it's something. Wow, it's almost like a candy red. Last year's version had the anodized back because it wasn't wireless charging capable, but this one, because it's wireless charging capable, actually has a glass back, so it's somewhat different from the anodized part that's on the edges. It's very, very cool looking. It has the product red logo at the bottom with the iPhone branding. The product red version is only available in 64 and 256 gigabytes. If I hold the phone like this, you can actually see how different the finishes are. This part, the anodized aluminum, versus this part that's glass colored. And as with every modern Apple phone, this is a fingerprint magnet.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe because there's more content to come from me. And until next time, peace.